small, but sometimes the smallest thing can make the biggest changes of all.
Hard to know just where it starts, how it grows, from just a spark. It's wondrous. I feel it now, this you and me, a gentle stream of energy. I know it's wondrous.